Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about this awesome pan here that I have. This is by Cuisinart and it's awesome. So as you can see, it is a little discolored. So it does discolor a little bit after time. I've had this for quite a while, but it doesn't make it stop working. It doesn't take away from any of the usability of it. So I love using this. I use this for chicken, for bread, toasting bread. I use it for vegetables. Because of the color of it and the material, it does make your food crispier and cook it a little quicker than my other pans. So I really like this though, and I like that feature. It's heavy, it's sturdy, and it's really a good piece of equipment to have in your kitchen. So I definitely recommend you check it out, and that is my point of view.